ordered a few parts now. Well, some paints. A green for Charlie's truck. I also got silver for the double decker during Queen Silver Jubilee. A lot of the root matches were sprayed silver. This would be quite different. Also some plastic cars as well. Right, I'm going home Monday, and this order will be processed Monday, so it will go out Monday afternoon, and should arrive hopefully Wednesday by Royal Mail Parcels Force. So it's going to be quite interesting. Also ordered some gold leaf, just for sheer hell of it. I might use it on the Rolls Royce, I might not. Just wait and see what's what. I think that's everything now. Okay, see you soon. Okay, bye.